GA002.
GA002.
Yes. These products belong to our G Plus series. You can see the catalog in my hand. This is our G Plus, and this model is GA002 for the blank color. And we also have the similar models with white color. The item number is GA001. So which one is your like?
I think I still will choose this one.
Black one?
Yes.
I like the white one.
Okay.
So let me show the white one first.
Yes, I also want to see the white one.
Okay.
How they look.
Let me show our catalog.
Wow, the catalog is
very beautiful.
Yes, I think very modern. Oh, I see that.
Yes, you can see here. This is our white one is GA001. You can see here is GA002. You can see here. Can you see clear?
Every catalog we have designed for more than 1 year.
Yes.
Because it's very hard. But I think the catalog is look very beautiful. That's why we want to show our customers.
Yes. So let us continue introduce the models. Okay. First, let us introduce the material. So what's the material of this?
The material is for the aluminum alloy, and I think you will see that which is the difference for the aluminum alloy. I think the difference is for the thickness.
Yes.
You can see the in front of the panels, it's very thick.
Thickness.
Yes, it's for the 4 millimeters.
Yes.
And
normally aluminum alloy material, the thickness is 1.5, but this model is for the 4 millimeter thickness.
It's very tall,
and this model is very heavy.
Yes. I think I will see that very safe on the wall.
Yes.
And then the I think I will tell our customers because maybe some factory they make the similar short panels from us because they just make this is the thin panels. Yes, but we are the different panels because we have the in front of the panel and the backside panel to support it.
Yes, let me introduce again. For these models, we have two parts. One is front panel. Front panel is 4 millimeter. Here is the backside panel. This is regular aluminum material. Normally, maybe some factory will copy our design. They will make similar models, but they will use the regular material, just 1.5. Yes, our assistant showed me the regular material. This one is 1.5.
Yes, and you can see that is very different.
Yes.
Maybe not can show you clearly, but you can contact with our assistant.
We will send more details. We have pictures. We can compare the different from the white, the design.
Yes, and we have the text material.
And introduce the function. Yes. This one is very special. That is special not only because of the design, but also these models without body jet.
Yes, I can see the body jet, but I can see the waterfall.
Yes. These models have two waterfall because we make some feedbacks from our customer. They said now waterfall is more popular in their market. So maybe but body jets maybe not use very
I think not used often.
Yes, not very often. So we will design these models with two waterfall. Here is the waterfall spot.
And also very easy to clean it because if you have the shortages, maybe you will clean it like one by one. Because if you use like this waterfall, you can just use the towel to swipe it.
Yes, we buy the waterfall from us. It's the stainless steel material, and this one we use the chrome finish. And many customers will ask, can you make the blank finish for the waterfall?
I think it's okay.
Yes, we can make the blank waterfall. So if you want to make the all shower panels with the black color, also including the parts, yes, of course we can make it.
Okay, so the towering shower can I also to change it?
Yes, of course. This is not adjustable rain shower. If you want to change it, we can change to adjustable rain shower, and we can make a big one or small one, depending on you.
Okay. So can I also can add the shower jets here and here. It's also okay.
So you like body jets?
Yes, I like body jets, but I think this model maybe the one is my like, not all the customers like. Because they want to do the special one, or just they need.
Yes. So my answer is yes. No problem. We are factory. We can make everything for you.
Okay. So I see that the hand shower also with the black.
Yes, also with black.
And
this is ABS. Yes, the material is ABS. We also have brass hand shower. Yes, different material with different price.
So if you need the competitive price, you can use the
ABS
material. If you like the high end, you can change it for the brass one, and also can change it for the any shape you like. I think.
Yes. Okay. And also here is the faucet and diverter control. Faucet control temperature and water flow. Diverter control different function. 1, 2, 3, 4 functions.
Okay, so the process I see there is very different from other models.
Yes.
Because other models is for the chrome, and this is for the black.
Yes, because the panel is blank, so we make all blank color.
Okay, so that make all the color is the same. Like it's very, I think I will to change, if I want to change the faucet to the more static, it's also okay?
Yes, of course. And if you want to change to small static with black color, also no problem.
Wow.
Yes.
That's very nice.
So for the white panel, we will use chrome finish. Black panel, we use blank finish.
And I see that every angle is very different.
This is our special.
Okay.
Special.
You can see that with the one angle. Okay, and then this is the second angle and then the third angle.
But one point very important is the angle. The corner is very set. You can see it's round corner.
Yes, all the round corner.
Also this part and this part. Oh, it's very set. Yeah. Will advise user use these panels make damage.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you like your showroom to show these models, please contact us assistant on our social media or contact with our email. Our email is very easy to remember.
Yes.
Just sale at our Gentory.com.
Yes. So this this models suitable for Europe market and Australia market.
Yeah.
If you from other countries, please leave your message in our commercial areas. We can recommend different models for your market.
Yes, we can recommend maybe top 10 solar panels for you, and then you can don't to use your hand, use your mind to I don't know how to choose that any models.
Yes.
Is that okay?
So
we can help you. It's very convenient.
yes. Please remember this item number is GA002. If you like these models, please contact us. Okay. So now let us introduce the second